Wait a minute. What are we doing here? Are we growing a coconut tree, Daddy? No, this. What is this with the coconut? Huh? Is that going to sprout a tree? What? That's how it starts? Wow. OMG. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Getting Healthy with Dr. T. Today I am in my father's backyard trying to explain some of these fruits and vegetables that you see here behind me that he's growing. And take a look at the neighbor's backyard. So this is what the backyard used to look like when I was growing up, and I'm going to show you what it looks like now. Let's go. Hey guys, I am in the backyard of my old house. This backyard did not used to look like this. My dad has taken it upon himself to basically just grow himself a whole forest back here. I am going to go into a little more detail throughout the video showing you what's back here, but as you can see, there's a big coconut tree right behind me. And anything you can think of, we have back here, from pineapples, tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, aloe. I've already done a video on the benefits of aloe and making your own aloe vera, but this is pretty amazing. Where's the mint? Oh.
You want to smell it, Auntie?
Yeah, I think I need a piece of that.
Yeah, take the first one. You want to make it about it.
Smells so good.
Yes.
Yes. But not too big, because then I don't want to waste it. All right, that's good. Yep. You know it's gonna be a video on this soon, guys. All right, we are getting fresh aloe. Alrighty.
You want to have it, but it's small.
That's good. So I got aloe, mint, and mangoes.
And the coconut, you want a coconut tree to plant?
No.
Huh?
No, I'll just come over here for my coconut. It's amazing. I don't come back here now.
You put them outside, let people
Take them?
pick them up, yeah.
Oh, but they may not know what to do with it.
Hey, them fine people know what they do. Know what it is.
Okay, what else we got? All different things.
Banana.
Banana tree back there. Wow. Okay. Oh, soursop. Is there any soursop on here? Okay. We already took the sugar pine. Oh, look at the pineapple! Sugar pine, as he calls it. When there's no apple. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so we will be tasting this.
Is it going to be on TV?
Yes. Gosh, there are all kind of creatures in this thing, but I have to get up on the pineapple so you can see it. That is too cute. Oh, Daddy, we got to get those. Those are ready.
That's it.
Right here. All of those are ready.
Burn them.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah,
Wait a minute. So this is not ready? Oh, wow. Dang. Okay, now we're going to try to get that one right there. Let's see how that goes. You can get that? How you going to get that, Daddy? Oh. Wow. Oh, you done made all of these. Dang, Daddy. Go.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, wait. I'm supposed to catch it? Oh, it's gonna stay. Thank you. Look at that. So, just want to peep this chair right here, guys, that he built. I mean, talk about resourceful. And I know there's something back here called Cersei. And you have to be Jamaican to know what that is. So, bananas. It's an Aki tree. They're not ready yet. So this is Aki, and when they open up, I'm not sure how long that takes, that's when they'll be ready. So let's compare this backyard to this backyard. So this is the neighbor's backyard, guys. And this is what our backyard used to look like. Do you see this huge backyard compared to our backyard that we can't even see, because this little house is a tool shed that he built, obviously himself. Why wouldn't he? And this is the backyard. So thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to take you on a tour of what a real Jamaican's backyard looks like, okay? And you didn't even see everything that's back here because everything is not in season. But it's so amazing to come and see my dad growing his own vegetables. And I could come over and grab some bananas if I need it, pineapples. The mangoes are delicious. You've seen my mango videos, and all of the mangoes come from here. So stay tuned for my aloe video. Drop me a comment down below if you can relate to this backyard. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Getting Healthy with Dr. T, where I show you quick and easy health tips on how to stay healthy and fit. I am getting eaten up and I need to go inside. Thank you for watching. I will see you next week.